go. Thursday, April 6th. Freshman division. Team Pitt Gods in the black, Lightning in the white. First round robin game for both teams. Lightning gets it in deep. Looks to center. Gods take away shot. Short side, just missed. 82, keep for Lightning. Tries to get it down to 8. In the circle, picked up by 77. Oh, taken away. 24 reverses. He picks it up the boards. Kept in. Third on goal. Kicked out by the goaltender. 20. Throws it across for 24. 24. Up for 20. 20 carries. Cross for 71. 71 dumps back in for 20 in the corner. 20 now the lefty. 5's on him. Looks to center. To the point. Knocked down. Dumped back in deep by the Gods. Looks to center at the circle. One-timer from the point. Wide. 20 now on the boards. Five chips it out. 24 now. Long shot coming. Wide behind the goal. Lightning picks it up. Up for 17. 17's in. Drops. 15 now. 15 turns. Gonna pop that. Shot wide. 58. Forgot. Oh, centering attempt. Nice poke by the goaltender. Keeps it out. 58. God's trying to clear. 22 and deep. 28's on it for Lightning. In the circle. Quick one-timer. Wide to the corner. God's now by the... Oh. Lightning takes it away. Tries to go up the boards. Cut off. 18 battling for Lightning. Thrown in deep. .28 chases for Lightning. Thrown in deep by Gods. 28's there. Goes it under for 3. 3. Tries to go up the boards to 17. He's cut off. 17 now. 17 throws it into himself. He's in. Oh. Goaltender comes out. 25, 17 and 25 are both losing their footing there. 25 now carries. Loses footing. Dumped in deep by Gods. All 5 Gods change on the fly. Lightning cross corner. Bouncing ball. Gods now in transition. Their cross. Dumped in deep. Chance here for Lightning. Throws it across. Ooh, nice back check there. 8. Shot. Blocked down. To the point. 13. Shot. And, ooh, nice save. Loose. Oh, it was loose. They called the cover, though. Nice quick little snapshot from 13 from the point. Great play by 31. He was screened. Draw's going to be to the right of the Gods goaltender. 16 on the draw for Gods. Bouncing right across. 22's there for Lightning. He's pinned. 38's trying to help. Loose at the top of the circle. Shot wide. Behind the goal. Loses footing. 38's going to be there. 38 centers. Ooh, nobody home. 8 now. Picks it off. 22 with the stick lift. Nice pressure from 22. 22. Great play. Kept in by Lightning. Thrown in deep. 38's got some time here. Centers. Nice play by 71. He picks it off. Or no, not 71. Couldn't tell who that was. All sides there. On Gods. 6:29 left in the first. 0-0 here early in this freshman game. Once again, Team Pitt Gods in the black, Pittsburgh Lightning in the white. 20 on the draw for black, 18 for white. 20 wins it cleanly. 24 dumps in. 5 will be there for Lightning. He's pinned. 24 pins him. Battle on the boards. Oh, chipped out. White pressure now coming from Lightning. 71. He carries. He's in. 15's on him. Centers. Ooh, nice look. Bottom of the circle. In the circle now. Shot coming. Shot. Locked down. Nice play by 5. 5 now in transition. 5 puts on the brakes. Throws it across. Just led to a little too much. 2 now on the boards. 20. Dumps it back down for 2. Loses footing. 24 is going to carry for Gods. Cross corner. Looks for 20. 20's in. Looks for 71. 71 shot. Ooh, just wide. 20 to 71. 71 curls. Shot. And goal. Or nope. Let's take that back. Was that up out of play? Yeah, up out of play. Still 0-0. Quality opportunities there for Gods. And face-offs up out of play, redrop. One to the point, dumped in by Gods, 22 in the corner. He battles 28. He's doubled. Now 2-on-2 scrum in the corner. Throw it up, out of play. Draw's going to be to the right of the Lightning goaltender. In the corner along the boards, chipped out. Gods couldn't keep. Pressure coming from Lightning here. Gods, they're in. Nice break up by Lightning. Lightning's across now. Drop for 17. 17, he fans. 17 dumps in behind. Third in front. Ooh, right in front. Shot chance here. Backhander. Shot. Ooh, big pad save. Nice pad save by 31 with the leg, the left leg. Quality chance there for Lightning. 57 tries to break it up for Lightning. Along the boards. 28's there as well. 57 trying to help him out. Shot. Rebound in front. Loose. Ooh, another rebound behind the goal. Chances here now for Gods. In the corner. Goes into the point. Long shot. Shot. Save in front. Behind the goal now. 57. Chips out. Gods control. Gonna get to probably take it under here. 8. He controls. Nice outlet pass for 22. 22's across. Puts on the brakes. Goes it backdoor. Cutting. Ooh, nice look there. Off his stick. Lightning now in transition. 57. Got a chance here. Oh, he loses footing. 57. 13 now. Trying to clear it out. He does. 14 for Gods. Fans on the clear. 8 now picks it up. Chips it up. They dump in. Lightning trying to get it out. Bouncing ball in the slot. Across. 13's there for Lightning. Tries to get up for 38. 38. 38. Nice chip to himself. 38's in. Ooh! It's going to be a penalty. 38 drew it. Nice hustle. On the takedown for Gods. Lightning coming up on the power play. Nice play by 38 there. Split 2 guys, chipped it up the boards to himself, drew the penalty. 3:43 left. 3:43 left here in the first. First power play for either team. Draw is going to be to the right of the Gods goaltender. 71 will be on the draw for Black. Loose in the circle to the point. 13. Long shot, blocked down. 71, he ate that. 5's there for Lightning. 5's Tries to dump it in deep. Controlled by 20. Oh, he fans on the clear. 20 now. Takes it. Take it away. Lightning in the corner. Eight down. 8 curls. 20 jumps him. 2's there. Skip pass there. Oh, by the point. 15 couldn't control. Off his stick. Lightning looks to regroup. It is slippery out there. Not raining, but it has been raining on and off today. Up for 2. 2. Chips back to the point. 5. Back to 2. 2 might want to just pop that. Oh, he fans on it. 82 now. Throws, oh, behind the goal. 8. Looks to center. Just misses 82 in the circle. In transition now. Shorthanded. 71. Shot. Into the corner. Odds are even now. And goal. All even goal there. Couldn't see who scored that. Just after the penalty released. God's got it in deep into the corner. Little cross crease pass there. 1-0 Gods. 2:22 left in the first. Lightning trying to clear the zone. Shot. Oh, Egg. Long goal. Just a long wrist shot there by the Gods off the draw. 2-0 Team Pitt. I think that was 22. Odds win the draw again. They dump in, looks for 22. 22's in. Shot wide. 22 in the corner. 28's on him. Battle along the boards. 22 still working. Lightning dumps in. 22 for Lightning trying to keep. He does along the boards. Dumps to the point. Down to 80. Turn around. 22 trying to jump that. Still in play. 77 now. Throws it under 24. Up for 22. 22 dumps back in. They need a change. 5 on, 5 off for Gods. Cross corner here. 38. 38. Dumps opposite corner. Bouncing ball. Oh, just over 80 stick. Kept in by Lightning. 22 in the corner. Battle in the corner. 2-2 now. 38 helps out for Lightning. And going to be a dead ball there. 4 seconds left in the first. 2-0 Gods. Will be on the draw for White. Lightning trying to get something going here late. Loose in the circle to the point, chipped out, and going to be an icing. (16 versus 18 on the draw). Gods win it. Run around. 8. Gets it up. Gods trying to get by 39. 39 chips back in. 8 controls. Thrown in deep. 39 pins them. They're behind the goal. 25 seconds left. Gods now in the corner. 39's on him. Looks to center. Nobody home. Lightning now. Shot. Up and out of play. (16 seconds here. Once again, 18 on the draw for Lightning, 20 for Gods. Bouncing ball in the circle to the point. 39, trips back in, 20. 5 seconds, 17, centers. Ooh, just missed. 57 on the doorstep. That's going to be end of the period. At the end of the 1, Pittsburgh Gods 2, Pittsburgh Lightning 0. All right, here we go. Start of the second period. Gods up 2-0 over Lightning. 8's in, shot, saved to the corner. Goaltender just got a piece of that. 8 now, battles behind the goal. 37 helps. Gods now trying to go up the boards. Gods now regroups behind the goal. They chip in. 20's coming hard. He'll get there first. 5's on him. 20 curls on the backhand. 20 now. Loses control. 5 now. Nice move there. Loses it. Into the corner again. 15's there for Lightning. 15 chips it up. Bouncing ball. 2 trying to get it out. 5 now. He's got a chance. 5. Ooh. Just trying to lead 2. Shot wide. 37 up for 2. Or, I'm sorry, up for 5. 2 now chases for Lightning. Black tries to clear, loose in the circle. Chance here. Shot. Blocked down. 37 behind the goal. You battle. So 30 in front. 37 battling. Centers. Behind the goal now. Battle behind the goal. Gods come away with it. Reverses. A lot of people losing their footing out there. Gods trying to clear. Kept in. Lightning. Shot wide. Loose in front. Now behind the goal. 2 looks to wrap around. He's cut off. Gods now come away with it. 20. And chipped up out of play off 15 stick. 5 in, 5 out for both teams here. Controls, tries to chip out. Kept in by Gods. Goes across, nobody home. 22's there for Lightning. He chips up. Bouncing ball. Gods take it under. Turn around. Lead pass. A little too much there. 3 down for Lightning. Dumps across. Black picks it off to the point. Long shot, up out of play. Crosses right to the left of the Lightning goaltender here. 80 will be on the draw for Lightning. It is getting cold and it's windy. Throw it on. Turn to the corner. 38 now. Got some room. Chips up to himself. 38. Going with the pressure now. He battles in the corner. Gods now. Clear the zone. Splits the double team. Nice centering attempt. Blocked off though. Nice play by 28 there. Tries to get up for 3 for 38. 38 gets it in deep. Around the boards here. Gods trying to clear the zone. Knocked down by Lightning. They're trying to carry now up the boards. In deep. Lightning controls. 3 around the boards. 22 versus 22. 22. Shot. And up out of play. Not much of an angle there. 22 blasted it. 6:22 left in the second. So 2-0 Team Pitt. $18 will be on the draw for Lightning. Out there with 57 and 17. Lightning gets it in deep. God's pick it up. Chipped up. And offsides. Draw will be to the left of the black goaltender. Use of the circle. To the point though, God's pick it up, they chip in. 13 will be there for Lightning first. 13, nice move. Back check now. 13 gets it across, dumps it in deep. 17's coming with the pressure. 17 throws it in behind. 57's there, picked off by Gods. 17, nice takeaway. Chipped out there by Gods. 13 chases, pressure coming. Got across. Oh, nice look for 18. Oh, off his stick though. 13 there for Lightning. 13 carries. He chips in. On goal, and he covers. Five in, five out for both teams here. Still 2-0. Team Pitt Gods up over Lightning. It'll be 8 versus 20 on the draw. Eight gives it to himself. Oh, loses his footing going to the corner. 20 up the boards. 8 up in. 5 will get there for Lightning. Oh, almost picked off there. Lightning go 80 up the boards for 8. 8, nice move. 8's in, shot. Saved to the corner. 8, what a move. Saved by Gaza. 20's in. 20, nice save. 20 on the backhander. 15, nice takeaway. Gets by 77. 20 now, top of the slot. 82. Looks for 8. 8's in. Throws it across. Oh, Lightning loses footing. 80 had a chance there. He slipped though. Throw it in the opposite corner here for Gods. 5's on him. 71. 5, nice takeaway. 71 loses footing. 5 tries to go up the boards, cut off by Gods. Blacked out, he's doubled. Throw it across, nobody home. 5 now. 5 up the boards. 82 chases for Lightning. 5's going off, he needs a breather. 82, centers. Nobody home. Black's now in. 3. He's blocked off. 3 now. Reverses. Throw it up to the point. Throw it in. Ooh, deflected just wide. 3 now in the corner. Bouncing ball. 38 now. Picks it up for Lightning. He's in. Oh, 38 collides with his own man. 8 fans on it. Oh no, to the corner. 38 now in the corner. 38, nice keep. 38 up to 22. 22 to the point. Long shot. 3. Locked down. Throw it in deep. 14. Goes it across for 22. 22 for White, takes it away. Loose in the slot. Bouncing ball now for 38. White gets it out. 2:45 left here in the second. And offsides there on 22. actually, that is going to be it's actually going to be a penalty on Team Pitt with the high stick. He called for it. Big opportunity here for Lightning. Only down 2-0 with the power play. 8 on the draw for White. 8 wins it. Looks to curl. Shot. Ooh. Just missed short side. 8 won the draw to himself. 8 now on the boards. 8 goes to the point. 5 back to 18. Shot. Blocked off. 17 centers. Ooh. Had 8 on the doorstep. Picked off by Black. Thrown in deep. 3's there for Lightning. 30 seconds left in the power play. 3 picked off. Another penalty here on Lightning. Oh, excuse me, on Gods. I don't know if they called another high stick on that or a handball. 5-on-3 opportunity here for Lightning. Got a feel they need to convert here. To the point. 3 shot, blocked off. 17 now. 20 airmails it down. Chance here, shorthanded for Black. Down 2 guys. 3 now battles. 71 with a nice pressure. 71 takes it away. Shot wide. 1 penalty is going to be released. 5-on-4 now. 17 shot. Ooh, nice save. I don't think the goaltender saw that. 17 with the wrist shot. Goaltender got a piece of it. 8 long shot into the corner. 17 now. Shorthanded now. White keeps. Long shot wide, short side behind the goal. Black trying to clear. They retreat. They're still shorthanded. Lightning's got to double that. They airmail it down. 3's there for Lightning. And opposite corner for 13. 13 taken away. Penalties released now. Shot. And save. 22 battling hard. 22 shot. Save. 22 tries to pull the trigger. Blocked down. Shot. Save. Rebound. In the slot. Penalties are released. All even now. 2 big penalty kills by Gods there. 33 seconds left in the second. Still 2-0 Team Pitt. Draw's going to be to the right of the Lightning goaltender. Confusion here on Lightning. 33 seconds left in the period. Bouncing ball in the circle. Throw it on. Oh, big save. I don't even know who shot that. Quick shot. Goaltender, nice save. 28 seconds left. Bouncing ball to the point. Shot. Nice save. 13 now trying to get it after Lightning. 13, nice dig. 13 gets it up to 2. 2 now. Gets it across. 13 seconds left here. 18 chips it back out. No, kept in by Gods. Gods. 10 seconds. Oh, 3. Looks to center. Nobody home. Another cross. Skip pass. Shot. Ooh. Locked down. End of the second period. Team Pitt Gods 2. Pittsburgh Lightning still 0. All right, here we go. Ball drops. Start of the final. Third period here. Gods up 2-0. 22 with the pressure for Lightning. Gods, dump it in deep. Lightning battles in the corner. Gods take it under. Look in the center. And that was a goal. Somehow found its way into the net. Didn't see how that happened. Either way, 3-0 Gods. It's thrown in deep. It was on the side of the net. Somehow found its way in front. Found its way into the back of the goal. 20 on the draw for Black coming up here. 3-0 Black. Early in the third period. Dead ball there, I don't know what for. Wins the draw, gets it across. 71 to the point, thrown in deep, kick to the corner, 5's there for Lightning. Five, trying to carry it out, up the boards. Gods cut it off. Black now curls, thrown across, nobody home. 80's there, to the point, over a stick. Pressure coming down from White. 37, just past the stick. 71 now, he carries. 71, throws it in deep. Rebound, save. 20, shot and goal. 71 took it in, threw it in deep, got a rebound shot, bounced out to the circle. 20 put it home with a rebound. 4-0 Gods, 8:43 left in the third. On the draw for Black. Black dumps it back into the corner. Taking away though by White. White does it indeed. 57's there. Eight drops it behind for 57. 22's on him. 57 battle. 8 now, looks to curl. 8 goes it behind. 38 trying to get there for White. Throw it all the way down, and that's going to be an ice. Nope, called off. 3's there for Lightning. Up for 8. 8, nice stick lift to get by that. 8's in. Shot and goal. 8. 8, nice shot. Went top shelf over the shoulder, short side. 8 created that opportunity himself with the nice stick lift at the red line. Got it in. 3-1 Black. 8:04 left in the third. Sorry, excuse me, 4-1 Black. 8 now, goes it around. 17, bounces over a stick. Oh, a chance here. 17, shot. Ooh, misses that. Gotta put that on goal from short range. Dumped out. 8-13. 18 now, gotta throw that on. Shot, rebound. Black. Red. Save, bouncing ball. Shot, blocked to the corner. Thrown across, nobody home. God's in the corner. 13's on him. Battle on the boards. Thrown under. 17's there for Lightning. 17, opposite corner. 13 trying to get there for White. 8. 17 kicks it off for 13. Shot, big save. Big play by 58 there, 58. Laid out, blocked that shot. Nice feed from 17 to 13. Great defensive play there by 58. Still 4-1, Black. 7 minutes left. Gods win the draw. They dump. 15's there for Lightning. 15 tries to clear, cut off. Lightning's in. 2's trying to get there. 77 there. 2 battles. 2-on-2 score there. 77 battles still. 77 working hard. Back up the boards on the backhand. 5 keeps. Nice keep. Black finally gets it out. Into the corner. 5 cuts him off. Throw it across. Nobody home. 2 now. Nice dig. Oh, take it away. Gods throws it on. Loose. Behind the goal now. Gods keep. Gods keep again. Long shot coming. Nope. Dumps it in deep. 5's there for Lightning. Battle in the corner. 5's on him. Looks to center. Nobody home. Nice reversal. 20 he chases. 24 gets it across. Drops to the point. Long shot coming. Oh, gives it up to a cutter. Shot. Locked down. 8 now. Curls. Oh, he loses footing. 8 gets back up. 8 still battles. Dumps in deep. Well, 22 loses stick though. Long shot coming. Shot. Wide. Bouncing ball. Dumped in deep. 15 will be there for Lightning. 4 minutes left here. Gods are in. Long shot coming. Shot. Wide. Short side. Behind the goal now. Black looking to curl. In the corner now. Looks to center. Nobody home. Bouncing ball. Nice move by Gods. Shot, save, and cover. Oh, I'm sorry. 4:30 left now. 4:30 left in the game. Locks up 4-1. $20 will be on the draw for Black. He wins it. Turns. Dishes to the corner. 71 to the point. Long shot. Wide. 20 along the boards. Takes it to the point. Long shot. Wide. In the corner again. 71's there. I think that's 71. 38 straight on him. 38 tries to clear. Then behind. Lightning carries. Chips it across. 20 for 71, back to 20. 20 behind the goal. 20. Shot, save, into the corner. Shot, save. Lightning trying to clear the zone here. A lot of pressure from Gods. 20, bats it out of midair. 38, dishes it back. Lightning gets it across. 20, gives it up. Gloved, hand it off. Oh, no, they hold. Lightning need a change. 3:22 left in the game. Black up 4-1. wins the draw to the corner. Centers to the circle. Off his stick, behind the goal now. Throw it up in the air. Backdoor cut there by Gods. Poke check, broke it up. In the circle. Shot, ooh, just wide. A lot of pressure here by Black. To the point. Long shot, wide. And up out of play. .255 left here. Black still up 4-1. And up offside. Offsides on Lightning. 2:49 left. Bouncing ball, White trying to get it out. Oh, got a 3-on-1 here. They regroup. Centers. Goes off. 58, nice takeaway. Oh, nice look there. Oh, he loses it to the point. Long shot, blocked into the corner. Struggle on the boards. Black throws it in deep behind the goal. Now on the boards. Centers to the circle. Line up, third to the corner. 13's there for White. Black looking to curl to the point. Cut off. White trying to muscle it out. Black shot wide right. Center attempt. Oh, just missed. Throw it in. On goal. 22 now, trying to catch him in transition on the change. Poke check away, up in the air. Guys in the circle. Shot, save, rebound. Nice poke check by 17. 17 gets it up. 8 cutting. Looks to center. Cut off. God's getting it in deep. 1 minute and 10 seconds left here. White trying to notch another goal. 5 carries. Well, poked away. Back to the corner. God's in the circle. Battle on the boards now. Everyone's falling down there. Little takedown. No calls either way. Gotta let it play on. Oh! It's getting chippy down there now. Center attempt, nobody home. Chance here, Lightning throws it in deep. 30 seconds left. 17 now, cuts off that clear. 17. Oh, good look there. 17. 5 now battles. Black looking to pop it. 3, trying to keep. Chipped out. 8 seconds left. This is going to be it. Chance here. One more last push for White. White going to chip in. That's going to be it. End of the game. Team Pitt Gods 4, Pittsburgh Lightning 1.